welcome to Let's Open a Hyperfire, because my chaos did not want to do it. So, I've opened this before, so it'll be easy. Easy as a peas. I hate this. Already? Can someone explain to me why this hates me so much? Please? Okay, here we go. Let's get started. So this is a flywheel full auto machine gun. Just kidding, it's not a machine gun, but I mean it's a machined gun, but let me move you down here. But, I mean, it's not really a machine gun. I mean, if you count, like, a full auto gun, a machine gun. I mean, depends on what your definition is. I mean, those people who are saying that assault rifles are bad, half of them don't even know what an assault rifle is. They don't have a definition for that. What is an assault rifle? It's a rifle that you assault someone with? But I probably shouldn't be talking about that, because it's just rude. But... well, you guys believe what you believe, but I mean, it's all a matter of opinion, really. I mean, there are teenagers like me who like mathematics and stuff, and I mean, I don't really. I like science more, honestly. I like calculus, but I'm like. I'll be honest, I'm probably, I don't know. Most people take calculus in like high school, and I'm in middle school. So that's good, isn't it? Some of you people are going to be yelling nerd at me in the comments. Kane? Please don't do that. Just kidding. I kind of like being called a nerd because I mean it signifies. So that's just their mean way of saying that you're smart, I guess. I mean, I wouldn't really like to be called a nerd because it kind of is mean, but you know what I mean. That was supposed to be a pun, but it wasn't very funny. So, what am I gonna do with my life? Oh, I hate this. I mean, I'm working 3 jobs right now. YouTuber, violinist in the streets, and office clerk. But one of them is working for my mom, so that's nice. And my niece is also there, so she is in high school, and she is very, very old. Compared to me. Because I'm just like a wimpy teenager. Don't ask about my genealogy, it's just confusing. Can you see that fine? No, you can't. Okay. Moving back. Can you see that fine? Yeah, you can. Okay. So, right now I'm just working on... This is just a chill thing. You know, I might stream one of these if you guys like it, so... Please like. I like doing this, so... I mean, it's just taking apart a Nerf gun. It's just chill, happy, nice. Yeah. Pro skills at my words. I might just, like, stick in a separate set of flywheels from a good gun. I'll have to buy some off of eBay or something. But, I'm broke. Well, I'm dead. In today's world, if you're broke, you're dead. Purely because thugs will just beat you up. I'm not a thug. Don't get me wrong. But yeah, honestly, it's not fun not to have money. Just because you can't buy your food. Seriously, man. Oh yeah, Kane, I don't know if you're gonna be watching this. Maybe in the future you will. But please do duos with Zach on Fortnite. Please, I would love to see that. I mean, honestly, it's just fun to watch Zach and him. Zach's one of my best friends. He was awesome. But unfortunately, none of us go to the same school anymore because we're punks and we decided to leave. Sad times. Well, I mean, at least I get to see Zach every weekend at church. But, I mean, I wish I could see Kane. I've been commenting on his videos, so go check him out. Kane Keenan on YouTube and Zach Hedgehog on YouTube. Okay. Hey, we're cracking this open now. Woo! Come on. Just ease open. Oh, come on, man. The middle screw, very middle, comes back to haunt us. Forget it. Okay. Now we just swell it off. Ooh, this is exciting. Woo, this looks cool, man. Full view. This is my new picture. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh crap. Don't look. Look at that beauty. I mean, this is like awesome. Oh man, oh gosh, I forgot to take the batteries out. I'm an idiot. Let's carefully flip this over. These all look like they're screwed in. Please be screwed in. Don't break. I'm just trying to take you apart. Oh my gosh, I love this! One sec, let me take out the batteries. Take out the batteries. Kids, don't do this at home. Probably a bad idea anyway. For that matter, don't do this anytime, really. Or anywhere, because I just like don't do it at home, you know. Don't do it anywhere, because it's probably not a good idea. But I'm doing it anyway, because you guys like it, I hope. I mean, I haven't actually done anything like this on my channel, really. I actually want to make this a regular part of my channel, so if you do like it, leave a like, subscribe, please. I have no friends. Just kidding, I have a ton of friends, but I would really like a subscriber. Okay. Please subscribe. And Zach. Zach is watching this. I hope Zach's watching this. P.S. Zach, please get me Kane's phone number. Ooh, making progress. Ooh, making progress. Ooh, made some progress, finally. Okay, batteries are out. Flip it back over. Oh, what a beauty this is. I love it. I love it. Okay, so this is where the fly balloons are housed, right here. Let's take this apart and look at them. My hands are shaky because I'm so excited. take off the flywheel casing. Oh, this is so exciting. I've never actually done a flywheel gun before. Never opened one. But this is exciting, man. I should open the Chaos because that's like my only non-working flywheel gun. This one still works though, so I don't know why my flywheel didn't. My Chaos didn't work. It's just I got it cheap. I got it for $40, and I'm sad because it does not work at all. Yeah, sorry. Thanks for the Chaos. That was cool. If you're watching this, I don't know if you will be, because, I mean, you don't really have time for YouTube with all your medical school, but, I mean, you did get me started on the channel. Please, please, please watch it. I mean, I think you would like it, honestly. You like nerfing. Honestly, I think you would be a great YouTuber, Ari. So that would be cool to see you as a YouTuber. Maybe we can even collab. That would be so cool, man. Sister and brother duo. Oh my gosh, we could play Fortnite? That would be so cool, man. We'd probably get wrecked because I suck at Fortnite and she probably would too because she has never played a shooter, but I mean Nintendo Switch version. That was above my waist and below my head, so don't get freaked out. You didn't get done that by YouTube, so don't freak out. Oh, I hate this. Oh, it opened! It actually opened! I'm so happy. Okay, so I might be cutting that out because that kind of jams it sometimes. These are the flywheels, man. Why are they angled? Someone tell me. That's so the dart doesn't get crushed? So that's the barrel. That's nice. Nice. I love this thing. This is beautiful. So that's the mag release. What is that? The float? I think it might be the mag release. Great, but awesome. I'll have to work on that. Definitely, I'll have to work on that. I don't even remember how that went. Yeah, I'll fix it. Oh, I remember now. There's like like here, wasn't it? Yeah, it was here. Awesome. Okay. Figured it out. That was cool. So here's the trigger. You gotta press down on that, and then that can be pushed if there's a mag. Let's pretend there is. Nope, that doesn't work. Okay. That's what you need to do. Okay, ready? Boom! That was terrible, but, so basically what it does is you press on this, and then if the mag's in, that presses down, Then you press on this, and it releases a electronic mechanism to make that spin. Right there, it's all oily because it needs to be oiled. And then it, I'm gonna actually clean that off. One sec. I'll grab a cleaner. I'm gonna just clean off the gear because it's been slipping lately, so. Awesome. Then you can stick that in there. So when this is in, this part right here, when you press it, this gear starts moving, then this spins around, pushing the darts into the flywheels, and that zings them out. Case closed. That was above my head, but you don't need to slap. Should we put oil here, do you think? I'm gonna take this out real quick and look at the bottom. You can take those out. I think I might try that and then put new ones in. Do you think that would be a good idea? I think I put this in backwards. I'm such an idiot. No, I put it in right. Okay, not an idiot. Woo! Okay. What do I do? I mean, I opened it already. What do I do? I mean, it's fun. Let me show you how it works real quick. So let's stick it in like it originally has. Okay. And then, so basically what you do is when this goes in, the piston pushes back, and then, come in, and then it gets pushed in, like that. And then, this pushes the darts into this little mechanism here where it spins, and then it pushes them into these while they're spinning, and then it shoots them out at high velocities, and it keeps feeding, so that's how that works. And then you have the carry handle over here. I don't know if I should keep that or not. It looks nice. This is the trigger. I mean the flywheel trigger. Rev trigger, actually. So that's what that's stopping. Oh, I hate that. Oh well. So when you push this back, let me show you actually. Better to show. Why am I using that big of a screwdriver? Just open this up. Okay, so once I get the screw out, you're gonna see that it moves a piece of metal into the wiring so it completes the circuit, and then it revs the flywheels. But it won't rev the flywheels because there's no batteries, because safety reasons, man. Jeez. And then it also allows the little, the real trigger to be pushed back while the flywheel trigger is going. Because when you press the flywheel trigger, this little piece moves down, and then that allows it to get out. One sec. Okay. Okay, awesome. Let's look at it. Okay. So here, oh my, I just failed. So when you have the flywheel in there, there's this little peg in here. Okay. So it's like that. When you have the flywheel, it presses on this. Wait a sec, sorry. So it's like, is it like that? One sec. Yeah, so when you press on this, it goes down, and then it releases this, and then it also signals to this that it can pass through by hitting this button. That revs up the flywheels. That's actually what revs it up. So it's not the flywheel trigger that actually connects it. Sorry, I'm an idiot sometimes. So when you hit this, it pushes down on this, and the flywheel trigger hits that, and it revs. Awesome? Cool. There you go. And then you mag release by doing that. Oh, man. Thanks for watching, guys. I didn't expect to have this done today. So this is just like the manual gear spot. I might actually do like an integration one day. But let's start putting this back together. It's been a cool video. Really cool video. Thank you so much for watching. I mean, I don't have a lot of views, so thanks for watching. At all. I don't have any views. I'm still working on my channel, so. Boom! And it's not working. Wow, good job, Ben. So then you screw these in. Then you put the plating over this again, because I took that out. So I could show you guys how the flywheels worked and how I could show myself, because honestly I didn't know. I thought I knew, but I didn't. So thanks for watching. This has been a learning experience for me too. So, oh my gosh, what did I just do? I'm glad that you guys are watching this, because I just want to learn, and I know you guys want to. If you're watching this, then just, I guess you want to do something and learn about about what it looks like inside a Nerf gun. And I'm not saying I'm a good teacher. If you want a teacher, go watch Lord Draconial. He's just like the best in the world in modding. I mean, other than he does review other people's blasters like that. Dude, that pump shotgun though, not the tac shotgun, the Alice. That was just integration and paint job. But you guys should watch the actual shell ejection pump shotgun. That was so cool, man. Thanks, Drac. You're the best. Lord Draconial on YouTube. So he's nicknamed Drac because he's supposedly a vampire, but he doesn't look like a vampire because he's always in the sun testing his napkins. But oh well. Hey Kane, if you're watching this, hopefully you are, because maybe we'll get the Hedgehog Trio back together. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, please. Oh, I've never had a subscriber before. I don't even know what it feels like. Note to self, ask Kane what it feels like, you know? I know I'm just kind of talking right now because I'm failing at putting the screw back in. I'm just going to leave it like this. I am so lazy. Hey, it works. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Okay. Did that. I did that. Hey guys, to do this safely, always take the batteries out first, please. I don't want to get sued at a very young age. You know, if you're a YouTuber, never give away your age or full name. Kane, you listen to that, because you better change your channel name. Seriously, man. Oh yeah, also, put a shirt on. I know that sounds kind of stupid, but, I mean, Kane's done a video without a shirt on. That's just, I mean, seriously, Kane, you're gonna make Bridget swoon off a cliff. That would be terrible. But oh well. So, Kane, just keep your shirt on. I mean, I'm just gonna end the conversation there. That's just, I won't go any further. Because, I mean, I don't know, Kane, you're a good person. Most of the time. Oh yeah, don't fight Owen. Please. It hurts. I did beat him though. Once in my life, so. Actually, I let him beat me, but I literally just gave him the thumbs up because he was trying to kill me, and I was trying to kill him, and that just wasn't very nice. Just kidding, I didn't actually kill him. No one actually killed anyone, so that's nice. What percentage is this at? Oh man, 26 minutes. Okay, I'll definitely be cutting some of this out. Probably most of this is going to be me unscrewing and rescrewing things in, because I'm that slow. Frankly, I'm not the person to be doing things quickly. I'm not even modding anything, I'm just putting things in. Hey guys, if you want to learn how to mod things, go to Lord Draconial. He is the best. Drac will just teach you. Sorry, headphone users. Allergies have overcome me, and that is the literal volume. It echoes through the house. Isn't that terrible? People can hear me from almost a mile away because we live in, like, we live in a small town, but you guys don't need to know where because I don't want to tell you, so get wrecked! So, that's nice. You know, me, Zach, and Kane were the original founders of the Hedgehog Squad. It was originally just a Hedgehog trio because there were 3 of us. And that was fun. But, you know, we just took apart a Hyperfire Elite. Boom! Oh. I'll fix that. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll stream this if you want. I would love to stream this because this is the only thing I really like doing on my YouTube channel. Oh my gosh. Difficulty. There we go. Thanks guys. Bye.